So we got another day in paradise today. Just woke up and it it is absolutely bucketing it down. So I think that we'll get the anchor up. Just hit my head. Get the anchor up. Get set off, and I think that I've got a feeling Jaden's going to stay in bed today, which I don't blame her. Either 20 miles or 40-50 miles to do, so we'll do the 20, see how we feel. If it's still raining and horrible, we'll start pulling an anchor up. If not, we'll go down to Patras. Most of the boats we were in last night have already gone this morning. I've got to say though, it's a little bit weird. Like, I'm quite happy that it's quite refreshing that it's raining, but obviously I prefer the sun. Right, let's get to it.
Hi.
It's raining.
I know.
I can hear it. What do you want to do? Head on out? Head off? You can stay in bed.
Really?
Yeah. It doesn't need two of us to get wet. Is it?
Oh, I can make you cups of tea.
Yeah, okay. That sounds like a plan. Well, let me get my wet weather gear.
Yeah.
And then get mooching, yeah?
Good eggs.
Let's do this. Cheers, Jane. That's what you're getting soaked. Yeah?
Yeah.
My battery died on my phone.
That's okay.
You tired?
No, I'm fine. So the moon's about to set. Look at the moon, Alf. It's on that side.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Cool moon,
Yeah, it's pretty as full moon. And then the sun's about to rise. And now it's about to sleep.
I didn't really sleep too much.
Really?
Yeah.
It's been 5.5 hours.
I know. No, I went down to about 2 o'clock.
You went 1:30.
Yeah, I didn't sleep till about 2:45. But I'll have a half hour and I'm good, yeah?
Yeah, it's fine.
Is that great?
Huh?
That's Greece over there, isn't it?
Yeah, we went past Patras.
Are we?
Yeah. I carried on.
Oh, nice. Oh, it's in a little, only half an hour.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm good.
Thank you.
Right.
Good afternoon, crew. So we are now mainland Greece. We had a pretty cool night last night. Very good. Oh, I made to make sure that I'm not zoomed in. I was. Yeah, it was a good sail last night. We had to motor for about 2 hours, but all in all, it was decent. And now we are cutting along nicely. We've got the engine on because Jay's in the shower, having a little wash, and just keep the batteries pumped while she's using the shower pump and the water pump. That's my pet hate. That is when the batteries run low. So I'm weird, but yeah. So we've got a nice bit of wind. Cutting along nicely, hoping to probably do another 15 or 20 miles today before we drop the anchor and have some food. But I think we're running out of food actually. I don't know. We haven't been at the marina for a while, like maybe a week and a bit, I think. All my battery banks are out of battery, so that's a problem. So I think we'll probably stay at anchor tonight and maybe try and hit a marina tomorrow, maybe just for the afternoon, just to charge some stuff, or even just tender ashore and charge some bits up. But yeah, it's very nice. Finally the sun's back out. It seems like I haven't had the sun for like weeks. It's only been one day. Yesterday it was raining all day. But yeah, I thought I'd just give you a quick update. I overslept on my shift last night. Bad move, I know. My phone battery died. My alarm didn't go off. She didn't wake me up, so I made her a coffee this morning to make up for it. So I'm going to have a quick look out, which I just did. But yeah, I'm going to have and then I'm going to I think I'll do some reading. I think try and get along on my book because I want to start the next one. Oh, she's had a shower.
That was good.
Yeah?
That was needed.
Yeah, I know. This morning when I woke up, I was like, I haven't actually had a shower for like 2 days now.
I know, I didn't even remember to shower.
Yeah, no, I didn't
even know. It's just been like, because we've been sailing non-stop for so long, it's just turned into one long day. So I'm just making a batch of peanut satay rice to keep us going for the next couple of days because we're still going to be at sea for probably another 3 days, 3-4 days. This will keep us going. But just cut the onions and carrots and added coconut milk and the peanut sauce and poured the rice. So of a sudden, where are we now? Near Patras. Everything's falling all over the place.
Yeah, we just had to pick everything up on the floor.
Yeah.
Had a good day sailing though.
It's been amazing.
Can we change it? The truth about our common soul. Say we know it's real. Something to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become. Defying our own emotions, pretending land was our home.
Yesterday it just felt like a week yesterday because it was just miserable all day with all sorts of conditions. We had fairly big swells last night, gusting, well it was pretty blowy last night, thunderstorms, lightning strikes. What else we had?
Rain.
Rain, rain.
No wind. A lot of wind.
A lot of wind. We've had almost every point of sail, goose wing, on the beam, on the nose. Been an eventful last 24 hours. Been good, not eventful, it's been good.
Yeah, and we've made some miles.
Yeah, but it's a shame that we're missing all these anchorages, but
I
next
know,
year.
yeah. We're in a rush again to meet friends. So